Welcome to Pack Home Food, where we make delicious and easy to follow recipes for everyone. Today we will be making potato pinwheels. Pinwheel samosa is a new twist to your regular aloo samosa. This samosa recipe is super easy and fancy to accompany your tea time. Give this tasty pinwheel samosa recipe a try and let us know your feedback. Let's get started. In a bowl, add a cup flour. Add salt as required. Add zira, oil and mix it well. Gradually add water and knead a smooth dough. Grease the dough, then cover. Rest for 20 minutes. Take another bowl, add potatoes and mash them. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, add zira, add onion, add coriander, add lemon juice. Mix it well. Roll out the prepared dough into a sheet and spread prepared filling on top evenly. Roll it out into a tube shape tightly and cut about half-inch slices and flatten them a little. In a bowl, whisk together flour and water to make a fine batter. Dip prepared samosa, roll in flour, batter properly and deep fry immediately. Serve delicious pinwheel samosa with chutney or ketchup and enjoy your tea time.